Hey guys, good morning. I just got up from the bed not too long ago. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and today is another vlog. So I have a couple of things I want to do today. I wasn't able to do the bathroom yesterday. Today is Sunday, yes, 20th of September 2020. And I have to do that today. I just got downstairs to bring out the turkey. I want to make stew today. I don't know if I'm going to be filming that. And what else? I have a video to edit. I have to clean the house today. Like, it's just a lot. Then I have some paperwork to do. I just thought of it this morning when I woke up by 6 at first, and I was like, oh my God, how would I be able to do all this before 8 p.m. today? And I have to film today. I never used to film on Sunday, but I tried it last week and it felt like, okay. Well, was it last week? Yeah, last week or last 2 weeks. And I was like, okay, this makes sense. So the main reason why I want to film is I got a box from Influencer. I think it's about 2 weeks now. And I need to film that video. It was sent from, I'm trying to remember the name of this brand. One of these very bougie, expensive brands like that. So I'm supposed to do a review. And I'm supposed to do a review about the brand on Sephora's website. And as well as Influencer. And do a video for you guys. Yeah, so I'll let you know what I get up to do today. And I think I want to try shawarma today. I'm not sure. In fact, I didn't know I was going to vlog, but I just said, let me just pick up my camera and do an intro just in case. But if I end up not vlogging, sorry guys. So guys, these are the things I used to wash my bathroom. This is Vim. It's the liquid Vim. I know most of you are familiar with Vim, like the powdered Vim. This cleans my bathroom like really well. Then this is Lysol. It's just like the regular Harpic we have back home in Nigeria. You can see how I've squeezed the life out of it. So I just sprayed and poured this into my toilet bowl. Flush first, remove excess dirt. Carefully squeeze a generous amount under the rim and directly on the sides of the bowl, letting it run out the water. For disinfection, let it soak for 10 minutes and brush entire bowl. Do not close the toilet bowl lid. I don't know how I'm going to put this and let the toilet bowl lid, but I think for safety, you're supposed to just, pour it into the bowl and just leave it. Then this is magic eraser. This thing, this is Mr. Clean. It's a magic eraser. This is really a magic eraser, guys. Trust me. This thing can clean any stain on the wall, even on your bathroom. So most times when I'm too lazy to do the thorough cleaning, well, it's not even lazy, because this I will actually do the work. This and a piece of towel will do. So most times I use this Vim and this rag to wipe, or I just go ahead and use my Mr. Clean magic eraser.
Mosaic Empire.
Jerusalem is my home. It's my home. It's my home. It's my home. Yeah. Listen. Jerusalem, ikayala me. ngishila ilondoloze 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 zungangishila. We are a chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. I am the head and not the tail. I'm above and not beneath, 'cause I know who God says I am, and that is what I believe. I am hope, I am peace, I am joy, I am strength. I am your comfort and relief from your stress. I am strength, I am faith, I am love, I am power. I am your freedom this very hour. Gilondoloze, 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 zungangishila. Ilondoloze, ilondoloze, zugangishila. Oh, Jerusalem, that's my home, that's my home. It is where I find my rest, it is where I find my strength.
So guys, I have the vacuum here, but there are some places where the vacuum will not be able to enter. Hence, I'm using this little brush to, you know, kind of brush out all the corners, all those hidden corners that I know the vacuum will be able to get through. Although there's a tiny brush here that's supposed to help you reach into those corners, but I don't think I have that strength now to have to pull it out, because you need to reattach it to the vacuum. You need to take it out of here, take this out, reattach the brush then. So it's just a lot of work. I'm just going to go the whole traditional
Jerusalem, ikayala me.
So the chandelier used to be in the living room, and we are going to find someone is coming in to move the light bulb. So that's the dining area. Someone's coming to switch the chandelier from the living room to the dining area. So when he's done, I'll probably just, you know, sweep and clean up that place in case there's any dust or sawdust that got into it. So I did that and I cleaned everywhere. So the next thing I want to do now is to use Lysol mixed with water, and this is just me trying to disinfect the entire house. So I did that for the stairs. This is me wiping down, let me put it that way. I did that for the stairs, I did that for the doorknob. You can see I have like 2 green towels with me. I did that for the stair handles, the stair walls, all the doorknobs in the house, you know. And this is me just vacuuming the rest of the house. So guys, enjoy watching.
Jerusalem, ikayala me. are a chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. I am the head, and
So I'm going to be using this Swiffer to kind of mop the entire house, or to wipe the entire house down.
that is when I believe I am hope, I am peace, I am joy, I am strength. I am your comfort and relief from your stress. I am strength, I am faith, I am love, I am power. I am your freedom this very hour.
You can see the dirt around on the Swiffer mop. Guys, can you remember my finger when I fell? It just started hurting so bad on Friday because I hit my finger somewhere by mistake and just started hurting super bad. So, but I still can't, bend my finger like I would do this. I would bend this one. Can you guys see? At least I'm even touching my palm, but this one I can't. So.
baby, what have you done to me?